This Georgia home is built for those who need space, comfort, and flexibility all under one roof. From the moment you enter, you'll notice the thoughtful layout designed to accommodate both family living and entertaining. Kitchen, a conveniently located laundry room makes chores effortless. Step into the master suite on the main level, where a spacious bathroom awaits with a double vanity, garden tub, tiled shower, private toilet room, and a large walk-in closet. The suite is a private retreat, offering peace and comfort after a busy day. Upstairs, three oversized bedrooms share a full hall bath, while a huge bonus room adds even more versatility for a second living area, playroom, or home office. The home also features a second kitchen and dining area upstairs, along with a private covered deck. This additional setup is perfect for multi-generational living or hosting guests, offering a level of convenience and privacy that's rare in a single property. Every corner of this house has been designed with function in mind, while still maintaining a sense of warmth and style. Outside, the property spans over an acre with a large driveway, a two-car attached garage, and an oversized one-car garage, providing plenty of storage. A large deck overlooks the backyard, ideal for summer barbecues, relaxing evenings, or enjoying time with family. An outbuilding in the backyard adds even more space for tools, equipment, or hobbies. This home combines practicality with charm, making it a perfect choice for families looking for comfort and flexibility. Whether you need room for everyone, space for hobbies, or just a peaceful retreat, this Georgia property delivers it all. Its thoughtful design, versatile layout, and outdoor amenities create a lifestyle that adapts to your needs while offering a sense of home from the first step inside.